What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here coming at you from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival. You know the deal, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. As you can see, I have it running. It's got a small block Chevy, really nice, mild. I believe it's a 350. Got a Wyand intake manifold, Hedman headers, tiny cam. You know, like a very nice mild street cam, probably a performance, like kind of a street performance cam. Sounds good. It's got dual exhaust. As you can see, it runs really smooth. I mean, runs like a Cadillac. So as you could see, this car is pretty stock appearing. They didn't do much to it. It's got a pretty nice red paint job. Not the most perfect paint job, but pretty nice. Just a simple red color, no metallic or nothing. Looks like it has an original rear bumper, which tells me the car's never been in an accident. The body is really straight on the car. The door gaps are really nice, fender gaps. They put SS badges on it. Front bumper looks like it's original. Lines up great. Your engine bay is extremely clean. Somebody took their time here. Engine's really nice and clean. Like I said, runs good. Just a basic small block, power steering, HEI ignition. Somebody customized a factory steel hood, or at least a steel hood, and put a cowl induction scoop on here, like a 4-inch. Looks pretty good if you ask me. You can see just the lines, really nice. Interior is pretty clean. Let's get into that. A few little flaws here in the paint. That's about it, not many. Your glass is in pretty good shape, all your trim. Your interior is in nice shape. Dashboard is nice, no cracks. It's got bucket seats with a column shifter, and they put a classic auto console or classic console in here, kind of fill in the gap here between the seats with cup holders, which is always a nice creature comfort. You got a dual Bluetooth radio. You got your climate controls there. You got an aftermarket 3-spoke steering wheel. Horn inoperable. The odometer reads 34,000 miles. Don't know if that's true. Like I said, the interior is pretty clean. Not perfect, but pretty clean. You can see this car is a presentable driver. You can see some remnants of the factory paint here. The factory color of the interior. Looks like it was brown. But that's something that you could dye it. Like I said, other than that, there's no flaws in the interior. The headliner's in good shape. The dash is in good shape. The seats are nice and comfortable, not worn out. No rips. The door panels are nice. Carpet's in good shape. Looks like somebody put carpet in the car not long ago because it's in really good shape. Your sill plates are nice. Factory pinch welds on the door, so that tells me that this car was never a rust bucket. Let's move to the trunk. As you can see, trunk floor nice and painted, really clean, really solid. They did put quarters on this car. They did a really nice job. I do not know if they were full quarters. I think you could see that they were welded here. I do not believe they were full quarters. I don't know, but they did a really good job, actually. As you can see, the floor is nice, solid. No rust here. They all usually rust down here. Really solid. I have underneath photos on the website. You can see how clean this car really is. Hard to come by Chevelles that are this clean. Very, very hard. I really like the rally wheels. They got the disc brake caps, which are, in my opinion, the best caps that you could have on the rally wheels. Just gives it a nice look. It looks like it's got vet rallies all the way around, 15x8. At least in the back, I know for sure it's a 15x8. Nice meaty tire on there. Just gives it that nice stance. The car sits really, really nice. Put our ignition key back in. I'll show you. Car starts right up. So perfect car to get in, drive to car shows. If you're looking for a Chevelle, this is the perfect starting point. This thing doesn't need much. And you could turn this into something really nice, or you can leave it exactly how it is, because this car is pretty nice. It appears nice. I just love the stance. Just something about those rally wheels, that cowl hood. Just a good looking car. It looks mean. If you are interested in this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, give us a call, 847-848-1850. Text your zip code to that phone number and we will give you a shipping quote, enclosed, bonded, and insured directly to your garage door. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only, so make sure you call ahead. Make an appointment on the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 200 cars in our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois. Here it is, one of two of our showrooms. We have special financing with great monthly payments. We got something for everyone here, so stop on by. Here's a little walkthrough. So stop on by, give us a call. You're not going to be disappointed. If you're looking for a Chevelle that you could drive anywhere and it presents itself very nicely, this is the car. We got a lot of cars, so check us out. We own them. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye, everyone. See you soon. Mr. Jenkins out.